Okay, in this video today, we are going to look at how to use allow and allowed. So allow is a verb. If I allow someone to do something, that means I don't stop them from doing this thing. If they are doing this thing, I say, okay, sure, yeah, you can do that, go ahead. I don't mind, I'm not going to stop you. I will allow you to do that. I give you permission to do that. You may do that. You can do that. I don't mind. That's cool. That's fine. I allow you to do that. Or, I do not allow you to do that. I do not allow my children to drink alcohol. But I allow my children to play video games. I do allow my children to play video games. But I don't allow my children to play more than 1 hour of video games per day. I allow my dog to sleep on the sofa. That means if my dog jumps up onto the sofa to take a nap, I don't stop her. I see it happen and I think, okay, that's fine. I allow her to do that. I don't have a problem if she does that. Or, my mother does not allow me to drive her car. Maybe she has a very nice car and I want to drive it. And she says, no, you are not allowed to drive my car because it's mine. So allowed is the adjective. We use it after verb to be. You are not allowed to drive my car. My dog is allowed to sleep on the sofa. My children are not allowed to play more than 1 hour of video games per day. But they are allowed to play 1 hour of video games. So if you want to focus on who is making the decision, who is giving or not giving the permission, use the verb allow, because I do not allow my children to do that. My mother does not allow me to do that. I do not allow my employees to do that. My company does not allow me to do that. So focusing on the person making the decision, use allow. Focusing on just the ability, the having of the permission, use the adjective. I am not allowed to do that. But we don't know who decided that. They are not allowed to go outside. But we don't know who made the decision. My dog is not allowed to watch more than 3 hours of TV per day. But we don't know who made that decision. Did I make that decision, or did my wife make that decision? We don't know. But we know that my dog does not have permission to watch that much TV. She is not allowed. So, focusing on the person making the decision, use allow. Not focusing on the person, but just focusing on the ability, the having permission, be allowed.